Hello friends, welcome to my channel Sarpain Maths. Today we will discuss one important question related to compact set. Always we see this type of question, this type of function given and this type of set given and you have to ask uh, what about compactness, completeness. So we will have to check here about compactness. Question I have taken from GATE 2006. So let's start. What is saying the question? Let S T subset of R square be given by S is given as a collection of this set x sin 1 by x belongs to 0 to 0 open 1 close union 0 0 and T is the collection of set x sin 1 by x 0 greater than x less than equal 1 union 0 0. This is set given as T. Okay, then usual metric on R square asking about S is compact but not T. T is compact but not S. Both S and T are compact. Neither S not T is compact. This is the option. So we have to discuss about set T and T, S and T is compact or not. So let's simply you can solve this question by using graph method and using a method of compact. What is the definition of compact set in R square? You know Hein-Borel theorem. Here you can use in Hein-Borel theorem in Rn closed and bonded then compact. So if and only if compact is a set is compact if and only it closed and bonded in Rn, that is Hein-Borel theorem. So you can use Hein-Borel theorem if function is closed and bonded. Simply if you check both the set, if closed and bonded then compact, if not closed and bonded then not compact. Any of either closed, not closed, not bonded either, then you can also say it is not compact. So start from first set S is given as S is equal to x sin 1 by x 0 greater than x less equal 1 union 0 0. This is the set given as a x. If you draw the graph you can easily say. So first of all we draw the graph. What is will the graph? So x is belongs to 0 to 1. You know, if x belongs to 0 to 1, then 1 by what will be the value of 1 by x? You know the graph of 1 by x. This is the graph in 0 to infinity. This is the graph of 1 by x. If you take only x from x to 1 close, then for 1 here, for x is equal to 1 by x is equal to 1, this, then its value belongs to 1 to infinity. This is the value in 1 to infinity. 1 by x belongs to for this domain belongs to 1 by infinity, 1 to infinity. And you know in 1 to infinity domain sin 1 by x oscillate infinitely many times. If you take you have to take domain this. In this domain sin 1 by x oscillate infinitely many times from -1 to 1. Then its graph will be, you don't have to take 0. So this graph will be like this infinite. After that it will be discrete. So this is the graph of sine wave like this simply. And you know, for checking closed set we have to check this contain all its limit point or not. If contain all its limit then it's closed. If not contain all its limit point it is not closed, it will not close. And it is bonded, you know, simply you can say it is bonded because its range will be lie between -1 close interval to 1. But what is limit points? If you make any radius of neighborhood at the point of y axis between -1 to 1, it contains infinitely many points of the set x. It means if you make any neighborhood of any radius, a small to a small radius, then also it intersects many points of the graph of this set S. So you can say by this all points lying between -1 to 1 will be the limit point of this set. In y axis all point in y axis lying between -1 to 1, it will be the limit point of this set, but it not belong to this set because its 0 is not in domain. So you can say it's not containing all its limit point. I have already uploaded this type video related to CSR net question in my channel. You can see that question also related like this, also helpful. So from this you can say S is not closed, S is not compact, S is not compact. What about T? Here you can say S is not compact. What about T? 0 0 in S including, but only 0 0 is not limit point, 0 0 also limit point, but only 0 0 not. -1 to 1 in between -1 to 1 in y axis also limit point of this set. So it is not containing in S. Now come to the set T. Okay, here set T is x sin 1 by x. Okay, so from multiplying x into sin 1 by x, what happen? It only the limit point is 0 0, and also it is bounded in this interval because x is bounded and sin 1 by x is also lying between -1 to 1 to 1. So its set is bounded and closed also. You can see this graph is like this, and this containing also its limit point 0 0 because union 0 0 is given, its limit point in 0 0 or 0 0 point lying in the set T. So it is closed. So it is closed, it means you can see graph in Google also, what is the graph of this x sin 1 by x in domain this. So T is compact, closed and bounded. T is compact but not S, it means B option is true. I hope this question is clear now. Now okay friends, thank you, and you can follow my Facebook page, you can see in description, and join Telegram group for discussion like this type of question. So thank you.